100% leads and sales in one funnel. What is a funnel and how do they work? When the word funnel is mentioned, I usually visualize a car with the hood opened and an oil funnel in the picture. I'm not the only one, I know, because a number of people have asked me to explain what a marketing funnel is. The subject gets many confused and a bit discouraged, but it need not be so. A marketing funnel is really very simple, and some make it more complicated than it needs to be. Actually, the best and most successful funnels have only 3 steps and are very simple. The more steps that are added leave a better chance that the viewer will not finish the process designed to get them to a certain end result. The end result, or goal, of the funnel can be a number of things, including a sale, an opt-in, a phone call, a sign-up, or lead. These are called conversions and are the end result of the funnel. A website is a funnel even if someone doesn't understand just what a marketing funnel is. Someone sets up their site with the intentions of drawing traffic to their site for a specific purpose, let's say to purchase a product. They might see an advertisement ad on another site and click on it to get to someone's site. The visitor reads some of the website content and clicks to go to the next step or to make a purchase. That's typical of a sales funnel and sounds really simple, right? There are said to be over 2 billion viewers online, and any website owner would love to get as much of that traffic coming to their site as possible. Through various outreach campaigns on social media sites and forums, articles written, podcasts, videos made, or a webinar, the site owner draws traffic into the funnel that travels through the website page, and a percentage will click to proceed and the rest will move on to something else. That is how simple a funnel is, and as mentioned, the end result or goal can be to get an email address, get the visitor to click something, or to make a purchase. Each is considered a conversion. Article source: https://easynarticles.com/expert/peter_mangini/2298216. Imagine having a funnel that is doing everything for you. 100% done for you. Highly profitable digital product sales funnels that generate leads and sales in 60 seconds. Is that easy? Well, you can have it all and start now. Find link in description area and join now. Thank you for watching my video.